Hello? Is this thing working? Hello? Right, okay, good. Wait, why is it so dark? Must be some sort of brightness setting I can adjust. Right. Hello, everyone. My name is Professor Frank, and I'm currently in my laboratory within Gardens by the Bay. As we all know, it's now 2065, and Singapore has developed into an extremely advanced, self-sufficient nation. Surprisingly. Anyway, the super tree that you see behind you is one of the mediums in which Singapore powers its ecosystem. In return, that gives us clean air, clean water, and beautiful flora. It also protects us from any natural threats that could... I'm sorry, excuse me, I need to attend to this one shortly.